Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the Oppo A9 2020 is unlocked and has enough battery. This prevents interruptions. Open Settings now. If you prefer, tap the search icon and type SOS or security to jump straight to relevant options. Once done, scroll to find Emergency SOS or Safety Settings. Don't wander into unrelated menus. You're initiating the change immediately because Emergency SOS can trigger calls or alerts. You'll now enter the Emergency SOS screen and examine each control. This is where the behavior is defined. Look for Auto Call, Send SOS Messages, and the Power button shortcut. They often live together. Tap each toggle to turn it off, and when a confirmation pops up, read it and accept to save changes. Make sure you disable the exact feature that caused false triggers. Once toggled off, the phone won't auto-call emergency services. You finish by restarting the phone to apply the new configuration. This helps clear any cached behavior. After reboot, test the power button briefly to confirm nothing calls or sends messages. If you still see SOS behavior, return to the safety menu and use Reset or Restore Defaults for emergency features, then disable again. Key troubleshooting tip: if the toggle reverts, check for third-party safety apps or an update that re-enabled SOS and uninstall or reconfigure them.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.